Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Cameron. Welcome. So in today's video, we're going to be doing, what is this? March Boxyluxe. This is a huge box. It's a pretty big one. So we're going to be doing, I guess, the unboxing or whatever, and just a try-on of what is in it. And yeah, this sort of like marks like my year being here, so yay, year. But yeah, I'm going to open this and we'll just see what we got. And open it like this. So here's what the box looks like. This is the little flyer, pamphlet, whatever you want to call it, that comes inside it. And it basically just has like a little breakdown of all the stuff that's on it. So that's my little cheat sheet. And okay, so yeah, let's start. Just throw this paper out. First thing is, this is gonna be funny, is these Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor. These are earrings by Stephanie Play It by the Ear Pave Hoop earrings. I should put these on, but I'll probably not. I'll probably give them to my sister or something. But I'll open them. This is funny. Oh, cute. They got little rhinestones on them. Okay. So these are earrings. These are $32. So that's the first item that I won't be using. Okay, next thing is going to be this Spongeli French Lavender Body Wash Infused Buffer. And this is $16. So this, I got one of these, I think, the last year, and I didn't use it. My fiance used it. So you got another one of these, and he really liked it. So that's the next thing that's not going to me. So this is $16. Okay, next thing is going to be this NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, and this is in the shade Warm Leatherette. That sounds like it's gonna be black. Okay, so it's gonna be like this sort of like berry color. So that's the shade I got. And this, where is it on here? This is NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, and this is $25. Okay. So this is something I will be using today. Next thing is, I think there's two. Yeah, there's two of these. So there's the Sol de Janeiro, the Coco Cabana Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I actually have this one. I'm running low, so it's nice. I'm gonna get a new one. And then this one, I don't like coconut, so fiance will get this one. And these, the duo is $15. So I don't know if it's $15 each or if they're just $15. I don't know. Okay, those go there. Next thing is going to be QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. I wonder what this is. Ooh, that's cool. Look at that. Fancy. Okay, so this one is, where is it? QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. Formula exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip Line Corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high-performance, lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smooth and youthful experience. I think I'm good in that area, so maybe I'll give it to one of my friends. This is $200. Jesus Christ. Okay, well, maybe I will try to use this. So that's gonna go there. The next thing is gonna be this PMD. Where's PMD on here? PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. And this is basically like a little, I don't know, a teak. Oh, it comes with a battery and this and a little, I don't know, it comes with the cup. So there's that. And this is $99, so I'm gonna use that. That's $99. And there's two more things. So the next thing is going to be the Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. Okay, Becca. Becca's Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick, and this is, it says your post facial glow in a stick. I don't know why I smelled it. The Ultra Sheer Translucent Highlighter that impacts a dewy gloss-like sheen to skin, enriched with Becca's Glow Nectar Brightening Complex for healthier looking, more radiant skin. One universal shade creates a gloss-like ethereal glow on all skin tones, and this is $28. Ooh, this is what it looks like. It looks like a little turd. Okay. Okay, so that's something we're going to be using today. So I have 2 products I'm going to say. And then the next thing is going to be this BoxyCharm Pillow Charmer palette. And this is what she looked like. She looked like on the floor. This is what she looked like. Ooh, this is really pretty. That's pretty. Those are all really pretty shades. And this is BoxyCharm Hello Charmer palette. This is $39. And how many shades is it? 12 shades. Yes, 12 shades. And this is $39. Features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. All right, so yeah, this is Boxy Edgy, by the way, if I didn't say it already. It says right here, pretty edgy. So yeah, there is all of the products. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so these are the 3 products I'm gonna use today. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I guess do my base and do everything, and then we'll come back and put highlight, lip, and eyes on. I was gonna do all my base first, but I was like, nah, let's just do the eye look first. So I'm like trying to think, okay, I got this purple shade or whatever it's called here. So maybe we just do something that matches. So, maybe we do, I think I wanna do full size because that's a cool shade. But then I also wanna try swipe up. So, I don't know, we'll see. We're just gonna go ahead and start. So I'm gonna just take just a whatever, this is a Morphe brush, I don't know what came in a set. I'm gonna tap into this spoiler shade right here. It's like a light sort of tan color. And just put it everywhere. Maybe not use this brush, maybe use this brush. This is an E27. Just sort of tap that brush in there. And then just sort of place it all over the eye. That looks good so far. It's like a yellowy shade. Just take a little bit more. They are a little bit powdery. Next shade, maybe we'll just do Cup of Joe, this shade here. And so I'm gonna take this brush now, the littler one, and just sort of just slightly tap it in there. Oh, there's a mirror. So I'm gonna use the mirror too. Just sort of put it at the end. Just ever so slightly, just like that. Just to make that spoiler shade sort of pop a little bit more. And just slightly blend them together. And then I'm gonna go back in with the spoiler shade. And just Cup of Joe, just a little bit. It's more like a, what's it, a grunge look. Okay, I'm gonna tap into spoiler one more time. Okay. Looks okay so far. I don't know if I like this little palette. Go back into spoiler. Just use that yellow all over the place. And then I think that's it. I don't know if I'm gonna do pop up. Wait, let's see, what is this? Is this just a white shade? That's a white shade. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this Boxy shade, just a plain white one there, and just do, I guess, like a brow bone moment. Just to make it look just a little bit like brighter there. But I don't really know what this is doing much. And then take the spoiler shade. of Joe, the brown shade here. This sort of feels like it's making me look like I have just like a yellow and brown eye. I'm gonna take pop up and just sort of do this. Oh, that's nice. Take a little bit more. I'm just sort of tapping it down. Looks nice. Okay. And then I'm just gonna go, oh man, I touched another shade. I'm gonna take some more of the spoiler shade just to, I guess, marry it, and then go back in with Cup of Joe because it's right here. I'm gonna take a little bit, like on like a little tiny brush, see if we can do this. I'm gonna take, that's like a, I'm gonna take this swipe up shade. Oh, it's like really like, it's just a glitter. You can't even see it. It's literally glitter. So let's see. Okay, I just made everything look more glittery now. Oh, and I just got on my nose. So there's that shade. I was gonna try to do like an inner corner sort of deal, but that's not happening with that shade. So I'm gonna just take a little bit more pop and just touch it with this brush, and then just try to do more of an inner corner highlight with it. There's that. Okie doke. So there's a little bit of like fallout here. You can see it. It also got there. So we're gonna, this palette is extremely powdery, so okay. So I'm gonna clean this off. I'll be back. Gonna do the other eye, put the base on, and then we'll use the lip that we got and the highlighter. And I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back with, I guess, both eyes done, some lashes on, and yeah, base done. My nose looks so weird today. I'm trying to do contouring, but I think my nose is just too big. We're just gonna leave her alone and not do anything to it. So we're gonna try the Becca Skin Glow Stick, whatever. So I'm just gonna swatch it right here, I guess, just to see what it looks like. Let's see, warm her up. Barely there. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna, I don't know, let's see. We're just gonna do this. And then this side. I don't wanna like start rubbing it. Let's hear. This literally doesn't look like anything. Okay, we're just gonna take, oh no, what kind of brush? We'll take this one. Just try to do this, pack it in there. Here, we're doing this now. This is supposed to be an edgy box. This, I would not think that this highlighter would be edgy. Like, think of like, you know, something a little bit more, I don't know, powerful than this. Let's see. Yeah, this is not edgy. But yeah, okay. No. Just gonna tap this everywhere, see if something happened. Okay, well that's definitely not empty. They should have did, I don't know. I'm gonna try some of this Artist Couture. Just add just a little bit of a hint. Just using the same brush, and I'm just gonna just tap this. Just so I can have some sort of highlight, because that's that oil. There you go. Don't think I like this. Probably not gonna use that Becca whatever nonsense crap again. But yeah, that's that. Next thing, I feel like I'm gonna ruin this look because it's like kind of like pretty glam, and I'm gonna put this color on. So we're just gonna put this right over, and yeah. Ooh, that's kind of nice. Let's make my lips tickle. Okay. Doesn't look that bad. Maybe with like a different lip. You could even do like a red with this, but overall that is, what is the shade? This is in the shade Warm Leatherette. I feel like it's like a little bit too much with this shirt. Yeah, my lips feel like they're definitely not the same. That's as good as it's gonna get. Okay. So yeah, that is everything in this box. The palette, I mean, it looks good. I mean, I only used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades out of it. So I used this one, just, I don't know, some sort of like brown, whatever. They use Spoiled or Basic all over, Cup of Joe in the outer, and then sort of inside. Pop up throughout the whole lid, and then this was sort of like over. This is not pink at all. It's right there. It's like literally a glitter, and then the highlight is oily. It's just so oily, like. Yeah, it's just sticky, so I wouldn't use that again. Other than that, that's literally the 3 things that I used. This box kind of was a flop to me. Kind of like a flop. We'll see about the other stuff. I don't know. Well, I like the lotion already, so I know I like that. And yeah, so this is this month. Oh, I forgot to say the price. I wrote it down. Was $454 was the price for all of this stuff. So stuff that I've only used, I only used 3 things so far, so we'll say that that's probably not worth it, especially because I'm not gonna wear the earrings, I'm not gonna use the sponge, I'm not gonna use one of the thingamajig-jigs, the lotions, and this lip. Oh no, it's kind of like a bright red, like out there. So yeah, but the eyeshadow, we'll see. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Subscribe, bye, do all the things. See ya! And here's it with sort of like a different red. This is with, what is this? Kylie and Rumor. This is sort of like, I just wanted to try it with a different lip. This is a little bit more dear, and I broke this one. So it's hard to, here we go. Instead of using that NARS lip, you can use like a darker, and it'll make it look, you know, a little bit more edgy, vampy. I don't know, whatever. I just thought I would add this little extra tidbit, because this is what I probably would have put better instead of, where to go? This one, because this is a little bit too more berryish, and then this is like more of a red vampy look. But yeah, that's it. Bye guys.